We're excited to announce these metallurgical results, which were validated through a federally funded research and development project that remains ongoing. Department of Defense has been very public about identifying a supply chain gap in rare earths, and this work is feeding into those efforts. I'd like to thank Lawrence Livermore National Lab and University of Kentucky, who collaborated in this Department of Defense DARPA collaboration. For those that might not be familiar, the internet, GS, stealth technology, they all have roots in our programs. We're honored to be selected to move to the next phase of work in the program and are in discussions around next steps and funding. As this project relates to Halleck Creek, mining at Halleck Creek is very simple and broadly similar to a stone quarry, with zero strip ratio and a compact footprint because of the homogeneous nature and scale of the deposit. The mineralization is paramagnetic and is proven highly selective for dense media separation or gravity separation, which is widely used in conventional technology in mining and very low operating costs. While the release mentions 3.5% trio upgrade of pre-concentrate, this was early stage ore. Since that time, we've seen about a 55% increase in grade in our drilling areas, and we're really encouraged about what might be possible. At 4,000 parts per million, which is where we're looking at mining areas, that's equivalent to nearly 5% trio at a 12-to-1 upgrade ratio, which is broadly comparable to Mount Weld or Mountain Pass without the need for cracking circuitry. 93% of the gangue is discarded on the front end with very low operating costs in this revised flow sheet, meaning that only 7% of the material has to be direct leached, which is a significant reduction in reagent cost and the operating cost. So really, we couldn't have got better news. The next steps is, this is the first domino to fall in a very busy quarter as management continues consistent execution. The recent drilling and assay results have been updated on our models, and this work is informing NSR calcs and values to support cutoff grades and mine planning. The previously announced JORC resource update is on track for an announcement very soon, incorporating these results from the metallurgy. All of the pieces are starting to come together to support mine planning and being rolled into a scoping study with the results later in this quarter. With such an expansive resource, we're looking at breaking things into phases. The metallurgy results will allow us to scale the project down and will grow into the resource with a compact footprint initially that offers expedited permitting on state surface and state minerals that also coincides with high-grade trio material. This new flow sheet offers the design that will allow us to greatly enhance the economic viability of the project as Halleck Creek progresses towards its potential as a generational Tier 1 mining asset. So in summary, we'd like to thank you for your support in American Rare Earths, and we look forward to communicating to you the results here in Q1.